Hey guys, today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of videos of hiking here and there. I'm here at Alum Park in San Jose. It's a county park, and we're going to be going up to, right now we're on the Eagle Rock Trail. So yeah, there's the hills. And then pretty much just scattered in throughout the hillside, there's just some houses and such. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Alright guys. Alright, we're just a little bit more up from that first video. There was an eagle here that was flying around, but it took off. I was gonna try to record him. Some people walking up. Yeah. Alright. We'll see when we get to the top, or if the eagle comes back. Okay, we're at the top of Eagle Rock, and pretty much you can see everything. That bird just took a crap. So, there was two other ones up there with him. Yeah, so pretty much you can see everything. That's like that's the bay way over there. Sorry. Right there's where I originally started recording, and then I'm parked right over there. There's a fly trying to attack me. Oh look, here comes a bird. And there's some other ones just flying around. Oh, I lost him. He went more up. This guy's looking for something to eat. Oh, there's another one. Two of them. And then there's more of them over there. There's like 4 of them. So, yep. And then, yeah. So, pretty much there's just, again, houses out. It's hidden throughout the hillside here. Yeah. From that parking area up to where I am, Eagle Rock, pretty much it's about like 1 kilometer just going up the trail all the way around. So yeah, it's not that bad. It's a decent incline. Alright guys. So this is the same guy that we just recorded. He's a vulture. just hanging out. Okay guys, so we made our way down the Eagle Rock Trail, and we're going to be going up the Todd L. Quick Memorial Trail. There's a lot of these cotton plants. There's a butterfly flying around. I don't know if you can still see them, but over there, there's still the eagles and the vultures and the hawk flying around. Oh, something just ran across. I don't know if you guys seen it. It just went in here. It went into its burrow. Alright guys, we'll record in a little bit more. Okay guys, so that house is pretty close to Eagle Rock. We're above Eagle Rock right now. We're still on that Memorial Trail. Getting higher, we're getting close to these mountains. In fact, we're actually gonna be going up these mountains. We're gonna go through this gate in a couple minutes, which is also part of the county area. So, yeah, apparently we're going up there. Alright. Alright. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the Observatory Trail. What is that? I hear something somewhere. I don't know, there's something out there. It's taking off. But yeah, so I think that's the peak that we're going to. Okay, there's Eagle Rock. That's where we first went, and then we're here. Still climbing up. Alright. Okay, so Eagle Rock's right there. You can see it right there. We're probably like probably about maybe a quarter or a half mile straight that way away from it. Yeah, so we just keep getting higher and higher up. We're almost there. I think that's where we're going. I honestly don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. I've also never been up this trail. Okay guys, I'm recording a little bit. Almost there guys. So, we've just been going up this steep incline for the past 20 or so minutes. And yeah, so supposedly that tree is when we're there. There's a lot of cow pies around. So yeah, haven't seen any snakes. Yeah. So we've just been doing this. This bee's been following us. There's another vulture just flying through there. One off in the distance up there. Alright guys, recording a little bit. Okay, so a little bit more up. That tree wasn't the end. That wasn't the top. But when I came walking through here, where's the other guy at? There we go. There's another one. There was a whole bunch of, right where I'm standing, there's a whole bunch of grasshoppers. And when I came walking through, they all flew away. Where is he? Where am I pointing the camera? I don't know where I'm pointing it. Oh, there he is. Yeah. So, yeah. These are the only two guys that are still hanging out with me. All the other guys just fled to this area and that area. But, yeah. I guess I'm not close enough to these guys to make them feel threatened. But when I get up and walk by, they're surely going to take off. No? Okay. There's another one, he just flew that way. You could just see a whole bunch of just ones taking off. There's one right here. They're just flying left and right. They're just all over the place. Never seen so many in one place. Alright, looks like this is just the Grasshopper Trail now. So, we'll see you in a little bit, guys. Okay, we made it to the top. Where is it at? Eco Rock's right over there. And when I did that last video saying that I didn't know what that right there, we were right over there. Now we're up on top of the ridge. So pretty much we went up this trail and then we had to come up another little quarter-mile trail. So basically from the trailhead to right here, it was about 1.5 miles. So yeah. And we're way above that, we're pretty much at the same height as that hill over there. These were those hills that when we were starting out, they looked super huge when we were at Eagle Rock, but now we're right next to them. So pretty much to get down, it's going to be like a mile, like another 1.5 miles. There, where's it at? It was right there. Where is it at? There it is. That's the James Lake Observatory. So that's the observatory here. So yep, just way up on top of Mount Hamilton. Can't even see it from on the camera, but you could see it. It looks pretty small. You could see it if you were here. What you're seeing it on your screen is pretty much what it looks like in real life. It looks pretty small. So yeah. Yeah, I'd say that just like this, that's about right. But yeah. So yep. Alright, we'll do some more video. That vulture head just got pretty close. I don't know if he's gonna come back around or what. He got pretty close, he came out of nowhere. Okay, so we found a watering hole for the cows. There's another one down there. We're gonna be walking by some cows that are on the side. Got all this way. So yeah, we found this, and then there's another one down that way with some cows actually near it. So we're on our way down. Alright. Okay, we're still on our way down. We're just going down the trail. We were somewhere up that way in the last section. Me and my girlfriend been on this trail over here before. She did it in flip-flops. Or is it that trail? So yeah, we're just going and going and going. Eventually we'll make our way down. We're almost out of water. Yeah. There's the cows right down there. We'd have to go around, and then we'll meet up with the cows. I'll record them a little bit. Alright. Okay, there's the cows, and then there's that other little watering hole. The trail doesn't go to them. It just goes that way, so we gotta say hi and bye to them before we even get to meet them. Alright.